Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Gather the required parts before you start connecting your Xbox 360 to your TCL TV. You need an HDMI cable for best quality or an AV cable with red, white, and yellow connectors if your console lacks HDMI. Make sure your TCL TV has an available HDMI or AV input and supports 720p or 1080p resolutions. Have the Xbox 360 power brick and controller ready. Optionally prepare an optical audio cable for surround sound receivers if you use external speakers. Turn off both devices before plugging in any cables to prevent damage. If you use HDMI, plug one end into the Xbox 360 HDMI port and the other into an available TCL HDMI input. For AV, match the red, white, and yellow connectors to the TV inputs by color and secure them firmly. Reconnect the Xbox power brick and plug it into a surge protector. Turn on the TCL TV and then power on the Xbox 360 to proceed to input selection. On the TCL remote, choose the input that matches your HDMI or AV connection. Navigate the Xbox 360 dashboard to System Settings, then display to set resolution to 720p or 1080p for best picture. If the TV shows no signal, power cycle, both devices, and recheck cable seating. Try another HDMI port or swap cables to rule out a bad cable. For sound, set TV audio to TV speakers or pass-through, and enable optical output.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.